In this video right here, I'm going to show you how you premiere a video on YouTube. So you can see this is a video I'm about to post, but I'm going to use this for the tutorial. So to premiere a video, you just upload the video, you add everything you need to add, your thumbnail and everything here. You see this here. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So now let's come here to the visibility page that you're about to post it. What you do is you need to schedule it for the premiere to show. You get it. So now today it's it. So let's try to do a schedule. Let's do it today. Good. So now it's 8 p.m. So what we do is you can see setup premiere. You just check that and then you set up the premiere. Good. So you can select the type of premiere you're trying to do. So if it's sports, it's sports. So this is gaming and it's a sports game. So I just select this here. And then we have alternatives here. You can select any of them. And the premiere time, the countdown time, you can change it to a minute or even make it more. You get it. So mostly I want it to be a minute, and then you can redirect them if they hop on it to a different YouTube video. It's up to you. Good. But then I prefer adding a trailer. Yeah. So when they hop on it and they see the premiere, they watch a video of what, or they get to know what they are going to see in the main video, the trailer. Yeah. So now you just tap on the trailer like this and you have some videos here. So I have a video here. Let me use this video for the trailer. Good. So I've uploaded this video here. I already have it, but I'm using it for the trailer. Yeah, so now I just save it like this and it's 8:30. So now I just tap on this to schedule it. And now we are going to hop on YouTube to see this premiere. Good. Now let's close this here. Good. And you can see there's it, and you can see the premiere is on here. So now let's tap on that there and let's tap on it here. Good. So this is the premiere page now, and you can see this here. You can see one people waiting. Let me scroll to the bottom for you guys to get to see that well. You can see one person waiting here. Good. And since we added a trailer to it, when you hop on the premiere page, you're going to be able to watch that trailer video. Yeah. So mostly your trailer should be very, very short, and then give them an insight on what the main video is about, something like that, you see. So you watch it here. Now let's try to finish watching the video. Good. And now you can see this here. You see the premiere here. The premiere starts in 2 hours. So that's it. When it starts, it's automatically going to start playing itself. Once you schedule it, it's going to, start playing itself and the rest. And they can, tap to notify me, something like that. They can, text here, because when it's premiering, it's going to go on live, something like that. Simple and easy. They can add their comment to you after the live chat. So that's it on how you premiere a video on YouTube. For now, if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. You have any question, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Peace.